This is Connie Knox here with Genealogy TV. I am with Diane Richard, who is a professional genealogist out of Raleigh, North Carolina, and she's got a workshop coming up in April 2019. Diane, tell us about it.
Yes, it's called Tar Heel Discoveries. It's running the 7th to the 12th of April. Registration is open now. And what we call is target-focused, personalized discovery opportunity. You spend a week at the North Carolina Archives in downtown Raleigh. 109 East Jones Street becomes your home away from home at that time. We provide lectures from different experts on topics about North Carolina research. We provide one-on-one guidance to you during the week to assist you with your research. We have social activities set up so that we can have dinners together, lunches together, chat. We have a buffet breakfast type thing. Behind the scenes tour of the North Carolina Archives. You can actually go down to the vault and see some of the most special documents that are held in the state regarding the state. And it's a fun program. Starts on the Sunday night, runs till Friday dinner time. You can register at the website, which is basically www.tarheeldiscoveries.com. You can search on Tar Heel Discoveries on Facebook, and you'll find that we have a Facebook page. And you can also search on me, Diane L. Richard, in any of those places, the web, the site, the Facebook, and you will find me.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Connie.
Boy, I love North Carolina research, so maybe one of these days I'll get to your workshop because I would love to do that.
We would love to have you. The staff are a delight to work with. It is literally not just us supporting you, but they will answer questions. It's kind of like having the archives to yourself. You can pull records and touch them and look at them and do all kinds of things in ways you can't at bigger archives or archives that just don't have the personal attention to service that the North Carolina Archives provides.
I do love the North Carolina Archives. I've been there myself many times, and I just love the room. It just feels good.
It's a neat, feel-good room. You can do everything. You can't make copies, but everything else is under your control for the most part. Yeah. So it just makes, and you need an expert. Trust me, my co-leader and I, Vicki Young, we know those archivists, and we have no qualms about snagging them in their office through their email, through phone, et cetera, to get support for you when you're at the program. We've done it before.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.